This short walk around the village of Beghaus in County Durham starts off in the village centre and passes the spectacular ruins of the nearby castle keep. After enjoying the ruins, the path heads south out of the village, across grazing fields to visit Millforce, a lovely spot tucked away in the trees. The return follows the riverside path to pick up the Pennine Way, back to the castle and over the site of the Roman fort. After parking up in the village centre, my route to Beghaus Castle follows the main street west and turns left down Back Lane. Just a short way down here is the stunning castle keep, just on the right. The stone keep was built to replace an older wooden castle between 1171 and 1187 on the orders of King Henry II, and used the defensive ramparts of an older Roman fort as part of the defences. The site is open and free to explore during daylight hours, and the village alongside was built to a plan once the castle was complete. Standing alongside the castle is the lovely Grade II listed Church of St Giles, which dates to the mid-12th century and underwent extensive restorations in 1863. Following field paths south, I'm aiming to see a lovely nearby waterfall called Millforce, and likely the rough location of where a mill was constructed for the castle back in the medieval period. The waterfall is set within a lovely wood and falls around 6 feet. The riverbank path ascends up the side of the valley briefly and heads west until an open field is met, where it turns north and joins the Pennine Way. The Pennine Way is then followed for a few hundred metres back to the castle, with one last hint of the Roman fort to be seen. As you approach the castle, the path heads over the rampart wall of the Roman fort's western side and can clearly be seen in the field. The fort originally dates to around 70 AD and had wooden ramparts, which were later upgraded in stone around 130 AD. The fort was occupied at least until the 4th century. If you're enjoying this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell to keep up to date. And if you would like more information, just leave a comment below.